Welcome. In front of me is a MEDION X5004, and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on the device. So to get started, all you need to do is find an empty space on your screen where you don't have icons or widgets. So for instance, like this one right here. Start holding your finger without actually moving the page, and it shows this thing. So you have several options right here, but the first one is wallpapers. Stop on it, and it gives you a list of all the preloaded wallpapers. You can see you can tap on each one of them to see how it will look. Scroll through them. You can also pick image, and that will take you to your gallery, which will be completely empty for me, as you see right now. But if you have some kind of photos that you have taken, you will see them right there. So once you select the photo that you wish to use, for instance, this looks nice. All you need to do is press set wallpaper, and there we go. So that is how you would change the wallpaper. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.